This is my pronunciation hack for you for words ending with AL. Don't pronounce it as I, pronounce it as They tend to produce an hiccup sound. Uh. So that with everybody. So we have total. Hey, listen to the word total and not total. So total, physical, mental, capital, hospital, so local and vocal, but never say total. That's not true. Physical, don't say that. Capital, that's not true. Hospital, that's not true. Local, vocal, throw it out. Total, physical, mental, capital, hospital, so local and vocal.